everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be making this simple beaded pumpkin for fall time. And yeah, I came up with this design by myself. It sort of looks like a pumpkin, but yeah, we'll be making one of these today. So what you're gonna need is 13 inches or 33 centimeters of 28 gauge wire. I use black copper wire. It's called pear wire, and I got it on firemountaingems.com. And you'll also need 21 orange beads for the main body of the pumpkin, the fruit part, or I guess it's the skin, and then for the leaves and the stem you'll need 15 green beads. You also need a ruler to measure it with, and also scissors to cut your wire. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take your wire, and so you'll have both the ends of your wire meet, and then you can find it on that way. Now once you've done that, you can take your orange beads and you're going to take 4 of them and put them on one side of your wire. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now bring them all the way down so they're in that little dip, and you kind of have to keep them centered with your fingers. And you're going to take one side of the wire, bring it around, and put it through all of these beads. Just like that, and make sure it's centered. There we go. Just like that. So you should look, so it should look like this. And now you're gonna strip your wires back and put on 6 orange beads. So 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, and 6. Now go all the way down. Take your wire, the other side of your wire that is opposite the ones you have your beads on, and stick it through all of those beads, and then pull tight. And then you can adjust it however much you want, and it should look like this now. Now you can strip your wires back, and now you're gonna put on 7 beads. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally 7. Now bring them all the way down, and whatever wire is opposite to the wire you have your beads on, you're gonna take it, bring it around, and put it through your beads. Just like that. And I think this pumpkin is gonna be a little fatter than this one because the beads are a little bit different. So now the next row, you're gonna put on 2 of your orange beads. 1 and 2. Bring them down, and then get your green beads and put on 2 of those. Alright, I just realized that I want to use a different color of green, so I just switched those out. So let's put on 2 of our green beads. So 1 and 2. Sorry, the camera's blurry. Bring it down, and then put on your last 2 orange beads. 1 and 2. Now bring them all the way down. Put them across. Take the wire opposite and put it through. Just like that. Yeah, this is a fat pumpkin, but it's fine. And strip your wires back, and now we are going to make the stem of the pumpkin. So with the right wire or the left wire, I mean, it doesn't really matter, you're going to put on 4 green beads. We're making the leaf right now. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring it all the way down, and then kind of bend your wire like this, so there's like a little bend kind of by the green part, because we don't want our leaf to be on the side of the pumpkin, like that. And then bring your wire around, and then bring it around, and then just put it through that last bead. And then kind of put your last bead in that little angle and then pull tight. And you might want to just guide your wire or guide the beads so they end up in the place you want them to. And you can adjust it. That's pretty good. And now you're going to take the same wire and put 2 beads on it. And bring it down. And then take the other wire and just stick it through those 2 beads. And pull tight. And you're gonna just adjust it so the 2 line up with the 2. Like that. Okay, now after that, you're going to take 1 bead, put it on your wire. Here, I can zoom out. Put it on your wire, bring it all the way down. Take your other wire and put it through that bead. And pull tight. And again, you can adjust it. I'm adjusting mine because mine didn't turn out that well. There we go. Now you're going to do one more bead, or another bead, just another single bead on your wire. Bring it down. Take the wire on your other side and put it through and pull tight. And you're going to do this with the rest of your beads. So 1, take it down and put your other wire through it and pull tight. And I can do this zoomed in as well. So put it on your wire, bring it down, stick the other wire through and pull tight. We're going to do this 3 more times. Sorry about the voices in the background, if you can hear them. Alright. Alright, one more bead. I'll do this one zoomed out. Dun dun dun. And there we go. And that is all the beads. You don't have any more beads left, so you can put these on the side. And now we're gonna tie this off. So take one of your wires and loop it around so it goes through your bead. And pull tight. And do the same on the other side. And pull tight. And now take both your wires and twist. Just like that. And now you're going to snip your wire. There. And now, I mean, you can leave it like this, but this kind of looks weird. Or you can give your pumpkin a little curly stem, which is what I did. You can always fold this sharp bit down and just curl it a little bit, like that. And there you have it. You can curl it the other way too if you want. There we go. And that is your little beaded pumpkin. So, hopefully it looks like a pumpkin and not just a orange and green glob. But that's how you make a little simple beaded pumpkin, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this and more beaded tutorials. I post one every month, and around the 8th of every month. And yeah, so subscribe for more stuff. You can put your suggestions below in the comments. No promises though. I think next month I'm going to post a beaded dragonfly tutorial. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and happy fall, I guess. Did a pumpkin for fall. So bye.